Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingrid Joy Aromas. I am just here trying to make some Christmas gifts and I'm going to try to make a oil today for my sister. My sister's son, he had neck pain. So she asked me for a bottle of um, this oil for her son, Raj. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you um, the first oil that I make for him. That's really helped him, she said. So let's go ahead and try to see if we can make this oil the same way I do it before. So on top of my head, I remember that it was 5 oil that I used, and these are the oil that I use. So actually this oil, this peppermint oil is a new oil I'm trying, and I think this one is from India. So I'm trying these oils today. I hope I can see here. And then yeah, so these are my favorite pain oils. They work so good for pain. Anybody knows anything about frankincense? Let me know, because there's so much use for this oil here in Jamaica. When I was growing up, I thought, oh, frankincense is just to burn your house out when you're moving in, or anyways, using frankincense in this one as well. That's another story with frankincense in Jamaica. Anyway, and then we're going to need this bottle. This is a 2-ounce bottle. And then we're gonna need this cap, right? And we're gonna use or need a funnel. And I'm gonna top it off today with almond sweet oil. Not using a bobo oil today. I ran out. But you can top these things off with any oil that you want to. Because my favorite oils to top these things off when I make them is a bobo oil and coconut oil. All right, let's go ahead and make this oil. So we're gonna need 10 drops of peppermint, and I tend to mess up on these oils when I'm talking, so I'm just gonna go ahead, show you what I'm doing, and no talking. 10 drops. 10 drops. Brush this camera out. I'm having trouble. And we need 9 drops. And 9 drops. I know I'm using this oil today. Give it a good shake. I like whenever I make my oils, I let them sit for a little because I like to, as I would say, to get to these oils to get to know each other. That's my little thing. I like to let them sit for at least a week before use. Guys, if you like this video, please like it and Let me know how you use all these oils. I would appreciate it. And be nice, be blessed. Thank you for watching.